Salmon and aquaculture have been a key industry in Norway since the 1970s. Today, the Norwegian salmon industry produces 5 billion portions of salmon each year to be enjoyed all over the world. The cold, clear waters in Norway provide optimal conditions for salmon production, and our long experience gives us the expertise to produce the best salmon. But how exactly do we do it? Norwegian salmon start their lives in fresh water in a fish farm on land. Broodfish are used as the parents of new generations. Eggs from females are fertilized with semen from the males, and after a month and a half, the fertilized eggs are moved to a hatchery. Here, the eggs hatch. At this stage, they are called yolk sac fry because they have a sac on their bellies that provides food for 4 to 6 weeks. When the yolk sac is used up, the salmon is called fry and will need to start eating feed. The salmon eat pellets made from marine and plant-based ingredients. Their composition is adapted to meet the salmon's nutritional needs as it develops. As the salmon fry grow, they develop finger marks on their sides and become pars. After 10 to 16 months, the salmon must prepare for a life in salt water. This is a process known as smoltification. Smolts are young salmon that are ready for salt water. The smoltification process can be controlled via light and temperature regulation. Before the salmon is moved out to sea, it is vaccinated against many diseases. This has almost eliminated the need for antibiotics in Norwegian salmon farming. The salmon are transported to sea cages by well boats, where they have ample space to continue growing. The salmon are fed from feed barges using feed spreaders. Feeding is usually controlled and optimized from an onshore operations center. Using underwater cameras, the operations center monitors salmon behavior, looks out for holes in the nets, and checks the oxygen level and temperature of the water. The operations centers are also important for the safety of those working at the facility. Technology and innovation are important to ensure the industry's sustainable development. New production methods are constantly being developed in aquaculture, such as closed farms, sea cages, and land-based farms. Thanks to the close collaboration between salmon farms, suppliers, research institutions, and the authorities, Norwegian salmon farming is today considered to be one of the greenest forms of animal protein production. 2 to 3 years after hatching, the salmon is ready for slaughter. The salmon is transported live to the slaughterhouse, where it is stunned before being slaughtered. The fish are then gutted, sorted and packed in crates with ice, or sent on for further processing. Norwegian salmon is healthy, tasty and climate friendly, so it's no surprise it is many people's favourite fish.